See, I don't even have highlighter on right now and I'm glowing. It's Aliana and I'm back here with another video. If you're new, welcome, and please subscribe down below, and if you're not, welcome back. Today's video I'm just going to be sharing my minimal makeup routine, and I'm not one to necessarily wear makeup, but I just wanted to share what I do on my days where I want to look a little more put together. So this is my minimal and no makeup look, very minimal makeup routine. Let's get right into the video. First thing that I'm doing is moisturizing my lips with this chapstick, and by the brand Mad Gabs. But it is so good and moisturizing, and it's made 91% organic ingredients and 100% natural ingredients. This is my makeup bag. It's so small, I know, but it keeps everything that I use for my makeup in here. The crystal right here, which is so me. It's just so cute to me, and it's literally so small. It's like the size of my head. Add some rosehip oil to my face, and this is what gives me like the glowy and glass skin look, and it just moisturizes your face. So I get like a drop of this much and I rub it in my hands and I just pat it in. But this keeps me looking glowy, and it is also really good for your skin. It gives me like my natural glowiness. So the next thing that I like to do is fill in my eyebrows a little bit, and I don't fill them in super dark, but I try to fill in the sparse parts of my eyebrows. If you're wondering what happened to this eyebrow, I fell at a birthday party and I cracked my eyebrow open. So I just brush out my eyebrows like this. I just do light strokes like that. The Wet n Wild Retractable Brow Pencil, and this is in the color dark brown. And I actually really like this. I mean, it's lasting me a long time because I don't use this every day, but when I do want to look more put together and, you know, have filled in eyebrows, I use this one, and it's pretty good. And I don't remember how much it is, but I'll put everything that I use down in the description box. That I do is my eyelashes, and sometimes I do wear mascara, but I have really been liking wearing clear mascara. Eyelashes are pretty long, if I do say so myself, thanks to castor oil. The next thing that I do is put on some highlighter. I got this in my Ipsy bag for the September 2019 one, and this is in the by the IB brand. I think it's their brand. This is in the color Private Jet. This is literally my favorite highlighter in the whole wide world. It's just so pretty. It's like a rose gold kind of color. I honestly just like using my hands. So, but highlighter is such a nice touch to your face because it's like you're literally glistening. Like, you see? Glistening. And then I put some on like the high points of my cheeks. Like, you see, I don't even have highlighter on right now and I'm glowing. Next thing that I do is I put on lip gloss, and today I'm going to be wearing the NYX Butter Gloss, and this is my favorite lip gloss in the whole entire world. No, it just looks so bomb, and this is in the color Praline. This is the best lip gloss ever if you're looking for a nude and you have brown skin. Sometimes the nudes be looking ridiculous on my skin. My other favorite lip gloss, and this is by Morphe, and this is in the color FROSE. It has sands in it from South Africa. Not in like the actual lip gloss part, but like in this part, and the applicator is just perfect. I might layer this actually. It's just so pretty. So I use these combinations for my lips. Sometimes, well, if I just want to do like a regular lip gloss, I use this one, and I got this from, well, my sister actually got it for me at Dollar Tree. This is the final look. It's very glowy and natural. My lip gloss is popping, glowing and beaming. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And I told you this is really a minimal makeup look. I wear minimal makeup on like my makeup days. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on my other social media pages, and check out my other videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.